Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jammer Lammy. First, you will need a computer or a compatible device. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection for downloading files. We will then guide you through setting up an emulator, which is a program that mimics the original console. Finally, we will show you how to load the game and begin your musical journey with Lammy and her guitar. It's a straightforward process, and you will be rocking out in no time. To begin, selecting the correct emulator is crucial for playing Jammer Lammy. For most users, EPSXE is an excellent and widely supported option, offering great compatibility and performance. Another strong contender is PCSX Rearmed, especially if you are using a lower-powered device or a different operating system. Always download emulators from their official websites to ensure safety and the latest versions. This step lays the foundation for a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Once your emulator is ready, the next step is to acquire the Jammer Lammy game file. This file, often called a ROM or ISO, contains all the game data. You can find these files on various reputable retro gaming websites. Always check that the file specifically states it is for the PlayStation 1 console. After downloading, it is a good practice to quickly verify the file size and type to ensure it downloaded completely and correctly. This prepares you for loading the game. With both the emulator and game file in hand, you are almost ready to play. First, open your chosen emulator and navigate to its configuration settings. Here, you will want to map your keyboard or gamepad controls to mimic the PlayStation 1 controller. Next, use the emulator's file or run menu to select and load your Jammer Lammy game file. Finally, fine-tune the audio settings to ensure the music and sound effects are clear and vibrant, enhancing your rhythm game experience. Enjoy the music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.